So we are on our way to Cambria. And I'm really excited. And we just stopped at Bravo Farms. And I was gonna vlog this morning, but my mom wouldn't let me. So yeah.
Super excited.
Yeah. It's really hot. It's 100
And something.
Oh, that's how I was reading that. It's 96. But it's gonna be 100 and something, and I don't really like it. And there's a lot of traffic. Can you see that? Here's Bravo Farms.
Why do they use
Bravo Farm. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, she went sprint.
It was 109.
We were worried about today.
Yeah, well, I heard this one was 105 yesterday.
Hey guys, so we got here and we're at Lynn's because they have a Lollaberry stuff. So we got a Lollaberry cake.
Google it. I think the filter's on the side of the
And we're gonna go to the shops. I'll show little clips. Then we're gonna go to the beach, and then we're gonna eat at Main Street Grill.
Or on that thing, check the filter,
plan.
but Google it to make sure you're checking the right
So see you when
No, not that
you
black
go to
thing.
shops.
In the pool.
Fossil shark food. Okay guys, so we're in the backyard of that shed, the succulent shed, and there's just so much like succulents everywhere, and they're all just so pretty. Watch, I'll show you some. Those, and they're just everywhere. Oh mom, this one's so pretty, but it has webs on it. That one's pretty too.
This one's pretty.
Oh, that one is pretty. So much. Oh my gosh, that one's pretty. See that one? That one's really pretty. Even like all these, all cactus, succulent, so cute. Okay, so we're in one of the shops. It's so cute. This is like one of the little rooms. Here's the back. There's like a whole other side, but there's a lot of people over there. So I'm just showing you the parts. There's like an outside, and it's like a decor type thing. Yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys. I guess so I wasn't gonna film more, but there's a room in the back on the other side, and this is more like the junk portion, and that's like a living room type thing. That's cool, huh, Soraya? Alright, that's cool. Do you like the keys? Let's go find Gabby. This is pretty. So that last clip was a clip. Mom, I was vlogging and this lady came in, so I like put my phone down and I was acting like I was talking to Soraya.
You're dumb. I swear.
But we're at the
She
Soraya.
probably knew.
Soraya's naked. We're at the beach,
Careful.
and I'm gonna take some cool pics and maybe post them later. Don't really know, but it feels really good here. It's not hot. It's never hot in Cambria. There's a lot of people out today. That's really weird. No one ever comes here. But that's that. Yeah. Look it. I'll show you the cool part. There's stairs. Or like little stairs, and you just go off the cliffs, and it's so cool. And more down, more like over there, you can actually see the steps, like right, I don't know like where to show you, like right there kind of. It's focusing on my finger. Okay, hold on. Like all the way over there on that hill, there's steps. And the steps lead you down, and they're actual steps, and they're really cool. On 4th of July last year, we stayed in that. It's lots of fun. So yeah, there's people watching me, so I went over here. But we're gonna go down. Okay, bye. Oh, we're done with the beach. I took some pictures. It was so fun. And now we are going to eat at the Main Street Grill. And it's Mom, is that owned by the bull one? What is it called? It's the same company as like the one across from the Staples Center, like the Doghouse Grill or something like that. Yeah. That's what I just said.
Well, we're parking right here, and we're just gonna walk.
Okay. Well, I'll see you inside. Probably gonna get a burger. My dog probably fries.
Fun.
So yeah, bye.
Yeah.
So we ate. I didn't vlog that because, you know. Look at this is an old design for Pepsi. So yeah, I ate a burger and french fries and it was great. Okay guys. So we're looking at shops and I'm trying to find a ring and like I can't find one.
Yeah.
And all the shops are closing because it's 5 and they close at 5. So yeah.
You guys want to go
Just
in
an
here?
update. Hey guys, so I'm editing this vlog and I forgot to film an outro. So I hope you guys like this vlog. Subscribe, comment, and like. Goodbye.